Hi everyone, today we are unboxing an exciting new home security product, the TP-Link Tapo C200 smart camera. We got it from Amazon for just 1500 rupees. Amazon sent this in a special protective box, and inside, the camera itself comes in a clean white and blue package. Nice presentation. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout features. It has 1080p HD video quality camera, pan and tilt capability to cover a huge area, night vision capability to see up to 30 feet in low light, two-way audio, and instant motion detection alerts. Now, let's open it up. Inside, everything's neatly packed. First up, a quick start guide to get you up and running fast. Next, a drilling template for easy installation, a power adapter, mounting screws, and an adapter plate for installation. And of course, the Tapo C200 camera itself in a nice protective cover. Let's go through each item. First up, the power adapter. It supports 100 240 volt AC and outputs 9 volt DC at 0.6 amps. The mounting adapter plate helps make installation on walls or ceilings super easy, especially with the included drilling template and screws. The camera itself has a sleek modern design which blends perfectly with most home interiors. On the back, we've got a built-in speaker for two-way audio and the power port. In the front, we have 4mm lens with an f2.0 aperture for wide-angle viewing, infrared LEDs for night vision, and a microphone for two-way communication. There's also a hidden microSD card slot beneath the camera lens for local storage, plus a reset button. If you're mounting the camera, just align the adapter plate with the back of the camera and rotate it clockwise. But if you're placing it on a flat surface, you don't need the plate. The rubber grip at the bottom keeps it stable and prevents slipping. Now, let's plug in the power adapter. Once powered up, the camera does a full pan and tilt as part of its startup process. This auto-calibration ensures the camera is fully functional and ready for use. Setting up the camera is straightforward. First, download the Tapo app. It's around 700 MB, so it's a fully fledged app. Create a Tapo account. Follow the prompts to connect the camera to your network and then link it to your Wi-Fi. Don't forget to insert a microSD card if you want local storage. Also, there is firmware update support available on the app. That's great. Now, the setup is done. The Tapo app is super user-friendly. You can control the pan and tilt features with the swipe, and view live feeds and manage recordings easily. The app even lets you control the camera's 360-degree horizontal and 114-degree vertical patrol, so you can monitor different areas automatically. The two-way audio feature lets you communicate directly through the camera. Whether it's talking to family or scaring off intruders, it's super convenient. Just open the app to send a voice message or have a live conversation. Heads up, if your phone is too close to the camera, you might get some echo.
Hello. Hello. Is my voice audible?
Worried about privacy? No problem. You can enable privacy mode, which temporarily disables live streaming and recording. You can still access the camera remotely and turn it back on whenever you need to. There's also an alarm feature which you can activate, and the camera gives off a buzzing alarm noise along with some flashing lights. The camera offers various detection features such as motion detection, person detection, camera tampering detection, and baby crying detection. Motion tracking can be turned on and off, but remember, frequent use of this feature may lead to increased wear on the motor, potentially reducing its lifespan over time. Recorded videos can be easily accessed through the Tapo app. Here is a recorded video of motion detection in action, where it is tracking the subject throughout. The app also provides playback speed option that allows user to adjust the speed of video playback ranging from as low as 1/16th speed to up to 16 times normal speed. This feature enables quick navigation through recorded footage. Here is the night vision in action. It provides clear visibility up to 30 to 40 feet, ensuring the homes are secure around the clock. Overall, this camera promises to be an excellent addition to your home security system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech unboxings and reviews.